shibun fibro kajing tip namta Khubor Laitkam te Laitkam Deo kawai po Neigrihms kabadai on contractual basis under HBCR project ngene packet kum connect advertisement ki ginon kam. Applications are invited for the post of data entry operator for recruitment on purely temporary and contractual basis under ICMR, National Center for Disease Informative and Research NCDIR. Font title project amnon kam manipulate katu then clip yakane. Name of the post data entry operator kawai ka post te ka qualification belong bachelor degree BA BSc kita terter BCom te dependent pada kata ka desirable training experience in software, computer software, experience with data entry, candidate with relevant research experience will be preferred. Duration of project, regis name. Appointment will be initially for a period of 6 months, which may renew depending on performance of the candidate. The project regis name, tangba kin kontrak pada kena indru benai, te kisah renew pada. Age limit 28, top bajang 28. Monthly salary, kena hajar. Role and responsibility kikam kepada benle should be well conversant with various computer application and statistical software, collecting data and preparation of report and any other work assigned by the in charge. Katarik interview kandai Shitrik Oktober arjar sau serskap kamawa. Venue kadai second floor clinical teaching room Neigrihms Shillong. Kapor kadai kandai Shitang kumbalak tong tu kandai Shitang. Important information dakan mawa. Application are to be filled online in the mentioned Google Form link. Tiap pendap yang Google Form link and sabu for description. Last date for submission of form will be on the 15th September. Khasantrik September. Last date tiap pendap lembaga Google Form. Candidate who meet the required qualification may only apply. Tangki biang qualification kembali atau angkai tikin sa apply. Shortlisted candidate will be intimated through Neigrihms website. Te bala shortlisted kin sa penmi ikilist te kin penmi bi hapok website silakan mau check hapok website. Te candidate ki debenra ya baro ki documents original hakapor interview makan de ke interview kin direct ke interview. The post is purely temporary and contractual kata ada betul depan ada wasdang. Date of determination of eligibility will be on the last date of online application kemudian ba Pidi bendap hapo arpo prasnem kan debi hakalas date Khasantrik September pidi bendai hapo ka prasnem. Attempt condition non kamera attempt direct indirect on film selection committee non kamera selection will be based on performance of the candidate in the interview and the qualification. Te kane kan debi ka direct interview tang ba pendap shua tang ba ki form ka te Google Form te ken sa penmi ka list te misa bu ya ka tarik nam ta interview. Te ka selection kan based by yak interview but yaki qualification phikam biang experience kan kham jiti kita phikam nang kham don ki computer course ki kham biang kham jiti kita kum ta ter te tangine hi khublei shibun.